On this video, people doing dumb things with heavy equipment.
This is the Old Guy Network.
Yep. Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the Old Guy, the OGJ, and you know who you are. And, of course, it's a beautiful day in the trailer hood. Well, it's supposed to rain a little bit later on, but today, here in the trailer hood, there is still more work going on. Now, the roads are all done, but they're laying new pads in for the new trailers and, well, I should say the new mobile homes that are coming in. And I met a couple of the guys out here, and they're really, really nice guys. I met, what was his name? Buddy? Yeah, that was it. Buddy and Wade. And Wade is the excavator operator. Buddy is the laborer, and he's the one that sets up the transom and makes sure that they're digging in the right place. These guys are really knowledgeable about what they do. And before we get started, I just wanted you to notice that I'm drinking a soda today, not a cup of coffee. And there's a reason for it, because as I was talking to Buddy outside, he was explaining some of the things about the excavator, and he's a really, really nice guy. Wade, super guy. I had to ask them if they could do something stupid, because that's what I do. And I wanted to know if they could open up a soda can with an excavator bucket. So, yeah, let's see if they can. These are some of the guys that are tearing up the trailer park. Here's one over here. He's working real hard. What was your name?
Buddy.
Buddy. Buddy, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Jay, and this is for the Old Guy Network. Because old guys love tractors and stuff like this. They're putting in a new pad, and they're doing a really nice job.
Yeah, this is one of those excavators where the bucket rotates right around.
I know, I saw that. That is really cool. Now, do you drive that too?
No, I just like it. Once in a great while, if I get lucky.
Oh, come on. There's nothing better than getting all liquored up and trying to run that thing, is there?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to get you on camera. You've never done that,
Never.
right?
No,
Never.
No, it's not suggested. You got that box thing over there, that's a grade beam.
Now what is...
And that'll run grade. Once we put down our material,
Oh, okay.
They'll run that, it'll flatten it right out.
That is pretty cool.
Yeah, it's real nice. And it's got a roller on the back of it, so it kind of flattens it out too.
Now, do you guys... Were you involved in doing the roads too, or just...
No,
you just do these? Okay. So this is the grader. This is what they use to flatten these out. This is pretty damn cool. You sure that guy's not drinking in there now?
No, he doesn't drink.
No, okay. I'm gonna make you famous. Hey, you can't hear me. Probably thinking, what the hell is he doing? I'll tell you something, it takes a lot of skill, practice, and a lot of time to be able to do that.
Yeah, he's been doing this for like 30 years.
I ran a front end loader for a while, and a backhoe, small backhoe. And I know just how difficult it is to do some of this stuff. And to make it look this easy is really hard. As you can see behind me, there's a gentleman in this rig back here who is doing an outstanding job. He's really, really talented with this. But is he talented enough to pop the top of a Coke can with the backhoe? I've been told that there are people who can do this. He's got like 30 years experience, so yeah, I'm hopeful. All right, Wade's gonna try this. Good luck, Wade. I'm gonna have to hold it. Okay, I don't know if this is cheating, but Buddy's gonna hold it, and Wade is gonna open the top. Don't think so. Oh, he's so close. He's so close. He's gonna. We at least gotta. Yes, exactly. We had to at least see that. Wade gave it a good try. I mean, I edited that pretty heavily. We were out there for quite a while. He did not want to give up on that, but it didn't happen. Now that bucket, that's a newer bucket, and it's rounded on the edges, and it wasn't going to work. The older ones had more sharp corners on it. That probably would have worked. I have all confidence that he could have done it in a different machine with a different bucket. I know he could have. He's really good at what he does. So thank you to Wade, and also thank you to Buddy. Two great guys that are doing just an outstanding job here in the park. And it was nice that they spent some time with us, and yes, they're getting paid for this. Not by me, by their company. So, you know, hey, it was a nice little distraction for them, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And that's going to do it for me. If you did like this video, please hit like, hit share, subscribe to the channel, all that good YouTube stuff, and I'll see you back here in the trailer hood next time. For the Old Guy Network, I'm the OG, I'm the old guy, and I'm out.